Hi friends, my name is Neelam and welcome back to my channel Neelam Vlogs. Today I'm going to share a 900 calorie diet plan with all of you which will help you lose up to 10 kgs in 10 days even without exercise. Also, I'll try to add few varieties in breakfast, lunch and dinner so that you can add varieties to your meal. I will suggest you to not follow this diet plan for more than 10 to 15 days because it is a low calorie diet plan and you don't want to feel weak by following it rigorously. Now you can also find my diet plans on Pakka app. It is available in the Play Store and I'll share the link in the description box below so you can check it out. So let's quickly begin the video. I'll start the diet plan with the detox drink. You need to make this detox drink a night before so that it is ready for you to consume the next day. The main ingredients of this detox drink is 1 lemon, 2-inch ginger and 1 liter of water.
Take 1 liter water in a glass jar. Now you can add 1 lemon into slices. Add 2-inch ginger chopped into pieces and you can keep it in fridge for overnight. Next day morning you can take it out and use it throughout the day.
You need to have this detox drink throughout the day. It will help remove water retention from your body. About diet plan, we will start the day with lemon honey water. I always recommend having lemon honey water the first thing in the morning.
Take a glass of lukewarm water, squeeze in half a lemon to it. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, stir it well and it is ready to drink.
Make sure the honey that you use is either raw or organic. After having lemon honey water, you can go for a walk of 20 minutes or just do a hot jog. That is it. You don't need to exercise much for this diet plan. And next thing that we're gonna have is our breakfast. I'll share 3 different varieties of breakfast that you can have. And also because we are not doing any exercise, we definitely have to include superfood in our diet so that we can lose more weight. And the best superfood that you can have in your breakfast is oats. I'll share 3 recipes where you can cook oats in different ways and it is very delicious as well. First, I'm going to share oats uttapam recipe which is very delicious and very low in calorie. Let's quickly make oats uttapam.
For oats uttapam, we need 1 cup of oats. Here I have taken instant oats. We need 1 cup of curd, half a cup of water and half a cup of semolina. And also I've taken some vegetables. For vegetables I've taken 1 grated carrot, 1 small capsicum and 1 small onion as well. Also I've taken 2 to 3 green chili. It is as per your taste. Now in a blender I'll take everything together and mix it well. 1 cup of oats, half a cup of semolina, 1 cup of curd, half a cup of water. We'll add some masalas. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, some jeera powder around half a teaspoon, and we'll blend it all together. Now this is the batter and it's not very liquidy nor it is very thick. The consistency should be medium. Now here I've put a pan. We'll just grease it with the oil and we'll not use oil later. Now the pan is ready. We'll add the batter to it. We'll try to keep it thick so that it gives you a beautiful texture of uttapam. Now we'll add in all the vegetables, some onion, some capsicum. You can also add tomato to it, some grated carrot. Also, I've not added green chilies. You can add green chilies. We'll put in some salt for the dressing, and you can also add some garam masala or chaat masala to it. Now we'll cover it so that the uttapam base is fully cooked. You can see how it is cooked from the back. Now we'll let it cook for 1 more minute. Our uttapam is all ready now. We'll just flip it and we'll take it out. You can cut it with a pizza cutter. It tastes delicious. This is an amazing recipe that you must try for your breakfast and it is very healthy. Plus it is a low calorie food. This one uttapam has only 150 calories and it will fill you up.
Second recipe that I'm going to share with you is oats sticky. Oats sticky is very delicious and also very fulfilling. You will not feel hungry throughout the day.
For oat sticky, we need 1 cup of oats, 1 boiled potato, half cup of hot water, half onion, 2-inch ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, and some coriander leaves. Now we'll take a bowl and I'll add 1 cup of oats. I've taken instant oats and I'll add hot water to it so that our oats become soft. Now we'll mix it up. You can see it has become little soft. Now I'll add the grated potato to it. Let's grate it onto the ball itself. So the grating is done. We'll mix it up and I'll keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Now by the time it is in the fridge, we'll add all the veggies. We'll get it ready. I'm chopping half an onion. Now I'll chop few coriander leaves. Also I'll grate ginger. Now we'll take out the ball from the fridge. You can see it is all ready. It is set so we can make the tikkis nicely. I'm keeping some masala separately. Now I'll add all the onions to it, coriander leaves, green chilies and masalas. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'll mix it all well. Now we'll give it a shape of tikki. Roll the tikkis first and then just press it with your hand. Now your tikki is ready to cook. We'll take a pan and we'll add some oil. We'll add just a little bit of oil, and that is why we have taken non-sticky pan. We'll add all the tikkis to it directly to cook. Now we'll let it cook for 5 minutes till the tikkis are brown and crisp. You can see how beautiful it looks. We'll flip it. It can be little more brown as per your choice. Now we'll again cook it for 2 minutes. And now our tikkis are ready to take it out and enjoy it. You can enjoy these tikkis with coriander chutney and it tastes delicious. It is very low in calorie. One tikki is around 100 calories and in 2 tikkis you'll be full and it will keep you fuller for the longer period of time.
The third recipe is overnight oats. If you are always in a hurry, you can simply make overnight oats at night and in the morning you can have it directly, adding some fruits and nuts to it. So let's quickly make overnight oats. It's a very simple and easy recipe. We'll use only 3 to 4 ingredients in making it. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oats. This is instant oats. Half a cup of curd. We will also use honey. Make sure you use raw honey or organic honey because they are the best versions of honey. And now we'll pour in everything together in this mason jar, as you can see. Also, I'll add 1 teaspoon of honey to add more antioxidants and sweetness to it. We will give it a mix and we can keep this mason jar in the fridge for overnight.
Next day morning, we'll take out the mason jar from fridge. We'll open the lid and you can see it's a beautiful texture now. It is all set at night and we'll add some fresh fruits to it. You can add any fruit. Banana works best for digestion. You can also add mango. Now also I'll add some dry fruits. I'm here using almonds to add crunchiness and also extra protein to our meal. And this delicious breakfast is ready in no time and you can enjoy this meal and you will love it. Also you can add some chia seeds or cinnamon powder to it if you like the taste of it.
2 to 3 hours after your breakfast, I'll suggest you to have a cup of green tea and a fruit with it. That fruit can be apple, guava or orange according to the season and the availability of the fruit. These 3 fruits helps especially in the weight loss and it speeding up your weight loss process. So guys, this is the first part of the video. I'll be sharing this 900 calorie diet plan in 3 parts so that I can share maximum recipes with you guys and the video is not too long. In my next video, I'll share lunch and evening snack options with you and the video will be coming up very soon. That is it about this video, guys. I hope you like it, and do let me know in the comment section below if you like the recipes and if you have tried it yet or not. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you. Bye bye.